Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll. Message.
Really strong, really the thing that I've been working on the most is an objective view of where are my belief systems at now, right? So when we ask ourselves, what do I believe? Really, like what's really in my heart? What's really in my core? How do you answer that question? You know, and when you ask that, and what I found was the answer was just looking at my life, right? So I began to analyze my life and say, well, since the world, my existence, is a reflection of my own mind, then if I want to find out what I believe, I just need to look at my life.
Yep.
My life is a complete and total reflection of me, right? And my belief system and everything that's going on. And that really helped me to begin to take a whole nother look at my belief systems, because it's one thing to tell myself all day in the mirror, I'm this, I'm that, or feel happy, feel happy, feel happy. But until, like, for instance, the way reality works is you can say that you want to feel happy and be happy and tell yourself to smile, but until you actually bust a smile, you're not going to see a reflection in the mirror, right? So it has to come from inside, and then you see the reflection outside.
Right.
And so I began to really focus in on what's going on internally. What am I reflecting? What am I sending out? Because obviously, as far as different change and different things manifest in my life, I need to make sure I'm in tune with these things. I need to make sure I'm vibrating with these things, because then I will see that reflect. You know, once you truly believe something, it manifests. You know, it manifests. As soon as you're truly vibrating with it, that vibration, whatever vibration you're trying to vibrate with, or may not be, comes about. You know, so that's been a thing that I've been really working on lately to just continue the evolution and you know, continue to evolve on this journey.
Yeah, that's powerful, powerful. Kamani, man, dropping some downloads, giving the family what they need for real.
Real quick.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead, babe.
No, babe, I didn't have nothing to say.
Oh, I thought you said real. Oh, okay. I was like,
I said real quick.
but I know you feel. I be feeling. You know, we got that same vibe. So I feel when you ready to drop some bombs, because I know you about to give some kind of light. But nah, Kamani, that was powerful. And family to everybody in the chat room. This is all about you. All these books that we're reading, all this stuff is about you. So Kamani just dropped a big download for the family to let y'all know, when you look around and you're doing all this intellectual work, studying and all of this stuff, right? And learning and experimenting, all of this stuff is a reflection of what you're actually doing. If you're actually doing the work, is stuff manifesting right? Are you actually getting these channels and these spiritual messages? Is your dream recalls coming in line? Are you lucid dreaming? All of this stuff is a reflection of what's inside of you and your belief system. And that's powerful, Kamani, that you brought that up.